What the fuck happened? Okay. Hello, guys. What the heck's going on? Hello, guys. Welcome back. What the heck is going on, bro? There's a new Gtag update. So go check it out. I heard that there's Captain Underpants and Jocky. And what the heck's going on? I freaking thank you. Okay, okay. First thing we got is absolutely nothing. Oh, we got some of these stuff. We got this is me, guys. Look. I had the red eye. Oh. You got the cave thingy. I don't know what this is. I got some scratches. I don't know. The new update. I kind of miss like all this stuff. So I need to review all that. They got Captain Underpants, of course. But, okay. These stuff. Got these. I kind of already got the badge, but. Got this. You can use this on me. Bro, it's Steve. It's chicken Jocky. Eh. I don't think I stole that, but free badge, a hippo. This is 3,000, so and I have 1,500, so I might be able to get it. Look at that. Oh, control. Okay, yeah, Goku. Vegeta. Forgot his name. Oh, I'll keep. Look good on me, guys. Look good on. You see that? Stick with this on somewhere. Captain Underpants. Okay, let me go get the rest of the cosmetics. Okay, these ones. I got this. I think I already had that over. I have this cape. That was good. Let's have this. The banana man. Okay. I'm gonna go check out the old update cosmetics. If I missed that. And I also heard, guys, that there's a new rotational map. And a new game mode in there. So. Yeah, this can get everything. This is boring. This is like, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's burning. It's cool. Be a banana. This looks really cool. I'm on it. Okay. Yeah, she is nice. Look at it. That's really cool. Swimsuit. Wait, it looks like it matches with my golden mask. Can you see it? Can you see that? So. Oh no. I'm a furry. No, I'm a furry. These. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go check out the rest of the cosmetics. Okay. Bro, I have to check out every single cosmetic. Okay. Yeah, this badge. We got the badge. We got this thing. Wow, look at it. shoot that little stuff. Wait, alright. Okay. Look at that. It's Kool-Aid. Now this, can you see it? It's like this. Ugh. Ah, my head! That's cool. Okay, then we'll check out the flashback zone. The crystal flashback. Now, my favorite part about the new flashback cell is the only part about the flashback cell. This is the reason I like it. They have blue eyeballs. Green eyeballs. My favorite of them all. Cave Wave. Just have this. Look at that. Yeah, the pink guy. Well, these pink guys are really cool. Yeah, these blue eyeballs. These white eyeballs. These yellow eyeballs. Oh, these yellow eyeballs look pretty cool. Yeah! See? You don't guys don't eat orange. I have red. Can't you see the red? And let's just check out the spelling somewhere like that. Wait, guys, you know what this means, right? Sunburn, can you see? Sunscreen, you can barely see. The ducky. Should I get the ducky or should I get no? No, I don't think I can get the ducky. But it looks like you can like see. Here's this one. Here's this one. And this one. Some ice cream. It's in my chest. I can't get it out. A floaty. Bubbles. I can become bubbles, guys. And let me check how much is the ducky. 4,500. So it's not cheaper. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. Because there's definitely gonna be an update in 5 days for the flashbacks. I forgot about the Lemmy's loot. Little like clips and a fishbowl. Or no, it's just a bowl. Okay, well, let's go check out the rotational. Oh wait, I forgot about the bundle. I heard. Got this. That's cool. Look, if you do this. And then if you throw it strong enough, you throw it. Wait. Ready? Wait, I'm making it bigger for you guys to see more. Okay. See, I threw it, guys. It's so cool. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Let's go check out the rotational. Okay. Well, I'm actually not gonna check the rotational. I'm way too scared right now. Probably gonna go inside of a public lobby. Cause why not? I'm a scared cat. So the elevators are working, and there's a new thingy. Oh my god, I didn't crash, bro. And they also updated the caves. What's it called? Holy lax back right there, bro.
Nah. What do you mean? Look. See? I had it come right out. See? What do you? Do that too. Just do that all the way. Just do that all the way. All the way. Do that all the way. Oh, guess who's back? Guess who's back? Yeah, exactly.
So they haven't changed this up, that's for sure. No one in here? Heck no. Okay. I heard there's no game mode, yeah. Hunt down. countdown. What is it?
Saturn,
Well,
yes.
it's
Saturn.
basically just hunt.
I swear it's yellow again. Bro,
Yeah, it's basically just hunt.
I'm down. I hope I
Wibbly woggly, wibbly woggly, ooh. Wibbly woggly, wibbly woggly.
Where are you, Saturn? Bro, why is everybody Saturn? Somebody tell me where Saturn is. I want to get somebody. You get me.
No, do not stab me. I swear.
You swear? Oh, Lord, have mercy on him. He's swearing.
Oh my gosh. Who is this guy? No,
Where are you? Where? Get up. No, I was just watching Disney.
where is he?
I'm watching Disney, guys. I'm watching Disney.
Who do you have? I have this guy with yellow. I have like yellow patterns
Disney, and the craziest thing that's happened. The weirdest
and like
thing that's happened.
wolf claws.
And his friend.
Ghost girl.
CW Gillette.
Okay. No, I'm watching Disney, and it's Cricket Green, and my friend over here, that's Rich. He just said, "I'm in your walls."
Wait, yeah.
Not him saying I'm in your walls.
Yeah, he just said, "I'm in your walls, Cricket." I'm watching it off my phone since my mom likes to watch Disney, and
Hey, we better run, bro. You better run.
Where are y'all? I can't.
I'm gonna see my heart drop. Nah, I'm getting away from you all freaky boys.
Game started.
White.
Better run. Better run, bro.
Where's white? White. No, this is mine. I'm not white. You're not my target. No, it's my dude. And my heart.
You're not my target.
I suck at this game. Look. You're not my target. No, you are my target. Dude, Pink. You are my target.
No, it's his dude.
You're right there. I need to run.
No.
Hey, get over Saturn. I always get you, but I never even find you.
Yeah, let's go behind him. No.
I'm gonna stick with you.
What am I supposed to do? That's kind of freaky.
Where the frick I am?
Wait, guys, what's the noise? Wait, guys, what's the noise?
Marco.
Hey guys, it's me, K9.
Marco. Hello.
Hey guys, it's me, K9. And I
Yeah, it's me, K9.
come back, K9. I'm gonna come back after 62 years.
Hey, guys, me, K9.
What the heck? I don't like this. I don't like
Wait,
this.
come here. Fish, come here. Guys, come here.
Okay.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Down.
Come on, guys. We're gonna go sport down here.
What? I just got removed.
Okay, guys, I guess we're going lower.
Guys, wait a minute.
Okay, I guess we're going lower.
Hello.
Russian hat. Aw.
Russian hat.
I'm supposed to get.
Gotcha. No! My target was white! My target was white! Are you serious? No! What?
Come on, guys, over here.
White. No,
Over here, guys. Over here.
I won!
I won!
Oh. Hey, get away from me, you crazy ass! Hey, what the shit? Get away from me! Yeah!
Bro was my target until I got tagged first thing. No, come here. You're my
No.
target.
Hey, what? Tag lag. My target's yellow.
I actually want Gorilla Tag to add. I actually want Gorilla Tag to add this back.
My target's yellow. Where's yellow at?
Map. I really liked it. It was really fun.
Have y'all seen
And
Golden
every
Map?
other map.
Because I pre-recorded
Like in forest, you can like go after people. It's really
Like
fun.
the red
That's
golden
like
map. It's not the pink golden map.
where the frick are you?
It's like my hot.
Phoenix!
Yeah.
Phoenix!
Oh, yeah, where's the exit at? Guys, where's the exit at? Where's the exit at?
Bro,
Ow, my
I'm
finger.
in the place that's flowers.